Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you curious on how you can create your own assistant? Well, in this video, we are going to solve that problem by building our own geospatial analyst chatbot. That's right, we are creating an AI-powered assistant right inside of RStudio with the help of Ellmer and Shiny packages. We will also look at ways to host it online for access from any device. Alright, before we can start interacting with Google's Gemini AI, we need to get an API key. This key is like a password that allows our R script to access Google's AI services. It's important to keep this key secure. First, head over to aistudio.google.com. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in, look for the API key section. Click Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Now, copy your API key. Do not share this key with anyone. It's sensitive information. The most secure way to store your API key is to use an environment variable. To set an environment variable, create a .env file in your projects directory and save the API variable in it, pasting the API key you copied from Google AI Studio. You can adjust this process with any other AI service provider such as OpenAI or Claude. With our API key variable stored in our environment, we can proceed with loading the necessary R packages into our R environment. This method allows us to easily reproduce your project in another environment. For example, in POSIT Cloud, Sublime or VS Code. To set up our user interface, UI, we are using Shiny with a dark theme and add some custom HTML, for example code highlighting and the copy button feature. See the tags $head section. We will also add a JavaScript function to the code output so users can easily copy the code for their own use. The most important part is chat_UI, chat, which provides the entire chat user interface. It is a function of the Shinychat package. It inserts a chat UI element into a Shiny UI, which includes a scrollable section for displaying chat messages, and an input field for the user to enter new messages. Now for the server. We load our Google API key, a very important step to do before running this. Then, using the Ellmer package, we initialize Ellmer chat_Gemini. Crucially, the system_prompt tells the AI to respond as a geospatial analyst proficient in R and RStudio. Finally, observe event captures user input, sends it to Gemini via chat$stream_async, and appends the response to the chat with chat_append. You can customize or play around the prompt to suit your exact needs and assistance. To initialize the app, we run the Shiny app command. There you have it. Our app is running. The chatbot is completely customizable and extendable. Train it on your data by refining the system prompt. With our assistant tested, we can choose to run it locally separate from RStudio console. We will use the command on screen, for which a localhost website link will be provided from which you can interact with your new assistant. Another option is to host it on a cloud server. For cloud services, you can look into hosting the app on POSIT Cloud or Shiny Apps platforms. With that, thank you for your time and subscribe if you feel so inclined.